Hello, I am Babar Khan and you are watching Crystal Gems. Today we will talk about pyrite. It's a metal, natural metal pyrite. There are many different metal like pyrite, hematite, which used which used in jewelry, also as a decoration pieces, also for healing. So if you can see right behind me like this one, so it's like golden pyrite. The real color of pyrite is brass yellow color, but it's give look like gold. Pyrite also gave help in intelligence, mental stability, logic, creativity, psychic development, memory, practicality, optimism, channeling abilities, learning, and perception. Pyrite also helped to inspire creativity in art, mathematics, science, architecture, and many disciplines. One piece of pyrite in the home or workplace energizes the area around it and imparts an immediate increasing in vitality. Pyrite also encourage leadership qualities in workplace. Pyrite also enhance your willpower during challenging times, and it will support your actions and decisions which are necessary for your personal success and growth. There are many properties and benefits of pyrite. Nickname of pyrite is full gold. It's called full gold because of its gold color and metallic luster. It's often mistaken for gold. This one like golden pyrite, and it's like the cubes. You can see the cubes, nice cubes. Like it's like very beautiful pieces, cubes. And this pyrite from Peru. It's come from Peru, and this is the high quality, like the top quality, because the cubes, which you can see the cubes, this one like top quality pyrite. Then this one in the other pyrite, if you can see this one like calcite, it's come with the calcite, and this one like the small pieces, it's like hematite. The black dots like hematite. This one pyrite. If you can see, it's like gold color look like gold. This one other piece, very beautiful piece. You can see this one also like cubes, very beautiful cubes, small and look like pure gold. It's give a like a gold look. You can see like this one. Pyrite have like different properties, different benefits. Pyrite is mostly good for health and wealth. It's best for health and wealth. If you want to become rich or if you want to become healthy, so you should keep pyrite in your home, in your office, or you just wear a bracelet, pyrite bracelet. Then these are like heart shape. If you see, it's heart shape, very beautiful piece. If you can see it's the heart shape. It's very beautiful piece. This one other heart shape. If you can see, it's like big size. It's the main front size, like display side. This is the display, and it's like back side. You can see the cubes inside cubes, like this one. It's very the formation in the, it's like natural. The formation, its formation like this one formation is natural. Then this one like egg egg shape. If you can see, this one also have like inside cubes around like the here. It's like top quality pyrite. This one like premium quality. So it's like the, because of the color and because of the cubes one, and more nice color, it's come in like top quality category. Then this one have spear shape, like ball shape. You can see round. It's a very beautiful piece. Like these are all are like top quality pyrite only in cube. It's like natural. It's come natural like in this shape. If you can see this one like cube shape small, but the quality is a little bit low quality this one because of color. This color is not like very uh, not like very shiny and not very beautiful because but this the other one the other pieces the specimen that one come like top quality, but this one a little bit low quality. But if you see it's also very beautiful cube shape. Then this one also have like spare small shape. If you can see it's also spare shape. This one also look very beautiful small inside. You can see inside like jeweled. This one also X shape. It's like small size. This size is small. If you can see it's small size. And this one also like very beautiful inside cubes pyrite. You can see the cubes, small cubes. Then this one also pyrite, and it's come with hematite like this. If you can see this the black dots. If you can see the black dots, it's hematite. This one also the back side it's hematite, and this one pyrite. The gold is pyrite and the black wood is like hematite. Hematite also a metal. Hematite and pyrite both are natural metals. Then this one also another piece, small piece pyrite specimen. If you can see it's all come with stand. This stand because you can easily put in your office and your home for healing, for decoration purpose. So if you can see it's like a, if you can like this stand, it's come with stand together. Then we have like heart shape with calcite also. If you see the white one is calcite. It's come this one calcite and with pyrite together. And this one also heart shape, small size, small piece. It's around maybe 300 400 grams. Then this one big piece. It's also pyrite. It's very big, heavy piece. It's about like 13 kg. It's about like 13 kg or 14 kg. It's big piece pyrite. Like see if you can see this one like have like also cube shape, and this one small baby cubes. So now if we talk about the origin of pyrite, so it's come from different countries. The top quality pyrites come from Peru. It's the top quality. And this one you see the color also very bright, very shiny color. So it's come from Peru. This quality come from Peru. Like this one also if you see the heart shape, it's also from Peru. You can see it's also very top quality. The color, the quality, it's high quality in pyrite. So it's the cubes, it's come naturally like this. The cubes it's come naturally like this, and it's from Spain. It's not like same quality like the other pyrite from the Peru one. This one from Brazil. The Brazil one color is like dull, not very shiny, not like very also don't have like nice cubes, but the color is dull. So it's from Brazil. The Brazil quality is not very top quality. Pyrite also come with other minerals like clear quartz, lapis lazuli, fluorite. So some mostly some minerals come together. So if you can see this one also pyrite, and this one like quartz, clear quartz. It's if you see the white, clear, transparent, it's clear quartz. This one all clear quartz. It's come together with pyrite. This one pyrite. Yes, you can see like this one also quartz with pyrite. This one like together, it's come together, naturally come together. If you can see this one like also it's very beautiful piece. The quartz, it's clear quartz, small quartz, baby like baby quartz, and this one like pyrite. Now this one the other specimen, if you can see, it's like mica, white mica. This one white mica, and this one pyrite, but it's called chalcopyrite. If you can see, it's the color is like a little brown, and here like rainbow, the rainbow with pyrite also. So it's called chalcopyrite. If you can see this one also, this one white mica. It's like white mica. This one, And this one chalcopyrite, it's pyrite and rainbow with like brown, so it's called chalcopyrite. This one, the other piece like specimen, it's like calcite. The white transparent one is calcite, and the golden, if you can see small, it's pyrite. So it's come like in different shapes. You can see now this one like small, very tiny pyrite, and this one the transparent one is calcite. There are many more things which I want to discuss about pyrite, but I think the video will be long. So that's enough for today. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.